Hello everyone, welcome to GK class for class 10th and topic for today's robotics. Before studying about robotic, we should know what is a robot. A robot is an automatically operated machine that replaces human effort, though it may not resemble human beings in appearance or perform functions in a human-like manner. Now, what is robotics? Robotics is a science of designing or building an application of robots. Now, question is, who came up with the word robot? The first sketched plans for a humanoid robot was made by Leonardo da Vinci in the 15th century. Now let's discuss three laws of robotics which are given by Isaac Asimov. And first law states that a robot may not injure a human or through inaction allow a human to come to harm. In simple words, a robot cannot harm a human being or ignore a human being in danger. Second law states that a robot must obey the orders given it by human beings unless such orders would conflict with the first law. It must always obey an order from human unless the order was to hurt a human or to ignore a human. And third law states that a robot must protect its own existence as long as such protection does not conflict with the first or second law. In simple words, it must always protect itself from getting destroyed unless it was ordered to self-destruct or its existence is dangerous to humans. Now we have fourth law, which is known as zeroth law. A robot may not harm humanity or by inaction allow humanity to come to harm. Do you know, students, Robert Williams, a Ford assembly line worker, is the first human in history to have been killed by a robot. He was hit by a robotic arm in 1979. So this violated the first law of robotics, which says that humans should not be injured by robot. Now come to your exercise. Name the famous writers or filmmakers who created these robots. First, R2-D2 robot. It is created by George Lucas. Second, Sunny by Isaac Asimov. Terminator, James Cameron. GT robot created by S. Shankar. Now let's learn some extra facts about these robots. First, R2-D2 robot. R2-D2 is a fictional character in the Star Wars created by George Lucas. Sunny. Sunny is a character in the film I, Robot. Sunny is a modified new model of N series. Third, Terminator. Terminator is an American science fiction film directed by James Cameron. GT. GT is a fictional character and this character was portrayed by Rajnikant in Anthiran. GT was imagined, created and developed by S. Shankar. Thank you, students.